this is Lily from Henan Mande Machinery. Today I will introduce metal baler. Please look at the pictures of the metal baler. It's our popular model YDF130. The metal baler has many advantages. The metal baler is made of thick steel plate, hydraulic drive, compact structure, convenient removal and installation, simple operation, easy maintenance, and reliable sealing. Now please look at the structure of the metal baler. Now let me introduce the working principle of the metal baler. The metal baler compresses scrap metal into bales with a hydraulic circulation system. The metal baler is suitable for all kinds of scrap metal, such as scrap steel, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, waste cars. The bale size could be from 200mm to 800mm. We could also customize the metal baler for you according to your requests. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.